Today I'm going to ask my daughter what she thinks my tools are for.
What is that?
And how much I paid for them.
$159.
I'm not going to tell you the name of it or anything, and you're going to tell me what it's for. What you think it's for.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
What do you think it's used for?
So
If you had to take one guess what it was.
what is that? What is it?
Nothing? No clue?
No clue.
That's a DeWalt battery.
A DeWalt battery? Why is it giant?
It's for my tools. How much do you think that is? How much money do you think I paid for that?
$6.
$6? That one is $50.
$50.
Think that's a good deal?
Yes.
Yeah? Next. Give you this one.
Oh my god.
What do you think that's for?
Is
Don't
it like,
point it in your face.
is it like a flashlight?
What?
It's like a flashlight?
Like a flashlight?
It looks like one.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
That's a
Not 1 to 4.
it's a surface temperature thermometer.
Wait, how cold is this?
Check it. Find it. 73 degrees.
73.
Yeah. Okay, how much do you think I paid for that?
$30.
$30? That one's $25.
25.
Yeah.
Okay, next one. Next tool.
Next.
It kind of looks like a measuring tape.
Yeah?
Wait, no, it's not a measuring tape actually.
What do you think it is?
This is just like the first one.
What?
The yellow one.
Battery? Think
Yeah.
it's a battery?
But it's kind of like the hard one, like that one.
Kind of. What do you think it is then? Guess.
What does it say?
Bosch.
Bosch?
Yes.
So it's a Bosch?
Yeah, that's a Bosch GL30. It's a laser level.
A laser level. I was kind of picking it.
How much do you think I paid for that?
$20.
I paid $50 for that.
50 again?
Yeah. It shoots a little red light that lets you make a straight line. That's all it does. Here you go. Careful with this. Here, let me take this off. There you go.
Ooh, this is heavy.
What do you think that is?
It's to cut things.
Yeah?
Yeah, because the sharp thing.
What do you think it's called?
I don't know. I would think that it's something to cut with, and it's really heavy. Oh, it's a bridge. Quack, 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 quack. Alligator, hello, alligator. Those things that you like chalk the wood with.
Kind of. That's the DeWalt 20 volt max oscillating multi-tool. Variable speed. How much do you think I paid for that?
$50.
$50?
Yeah.
That one is $159.
$159?
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, next one.
Cool. Next one.
Yes. It's a toolbox.
Open.
Okay. Oh, this is what we got from Lowe's.
What is it? Pull it out.
Pull it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is heavy. No.
See the paper.
You're just gonna take it away. Softens things out like.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Think it's to smooth things out?
Yeah. Wait, why does that paint? That's my guess.
That's your guess?
Yeah.
That's the Ruby vacuum suction cup for tile.
For tile.
Mm-hmm.
So it like sucks up tiles whenever you go to the job.
It lets you hold it with one hand for a piece of tile, so you don't have to.
Like this?
Yeah, you can pick it up.
Next. Or I'll just put this back in here.
Mm-hmm.
Lowe's. Okay, there's one. There's two. Okay.
How much do you think I paid for that one?
$69.
$69? Close. One's $100.
$100?
Yeah.
Okay, next tool.
Okay, we'll watch them.
What is that?
Here's Johnny. It's coming.
What is it?
Yeah. What do you
I
think
don't
it's
really
for?
wanna
Grab
touch
it.
I really don't want to touch it.
No.
Okay. So that's how we're going to play.
Little pigs. Little.
What is this?
What do you?
It looks like to pull something.
Huh?
It looks like it looks like you open it and then you squish it and then you pull something.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because you gave that a clue to me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. That's my guess.
It's your guess?
Yeah.
That is the Craig clamp.
Clamp.
It's a clamp.
A clamp.
Yeah. And that one's like, how much do you think that I paid for that one?
$100.
$100? No, that one's like $45.
$45.
Yeah.
Okay, next one. Come here. What is this? How much did you pay for this, man?
Hmm.
Oh, it looks like a tent, actually.
What do you think it's for?
This is like a challenge.
Tool challenge.
A tool challenge. A tool challenge for a Stella Alvarez Gomez team.
What do you think it's for?
Okay, honestly, I kind of think it's for taking out the big chunks of paint.
You think so? Final answer.
No.
Those are installation pliers for a clip and wedge tile leveling system for tile. How much do you think I paid for those?
$70.
$70? Paid $25 for them.
25.
Yeah.
Okay, last one.
No. What'd you say?
It's giant. Why is it so giant? I don't even want to touch it. Don't even want to.
Just touch. You can't lift it. It's too heavy. Just look at it.
It looks like it's sparkly right here.
Yeah. Okay. What do you think this is for?
I think it's for cutting
I
things.
think it's for cutting things.
Yeah.
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 This is the DeWalt nail gun. It shoots nails.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
That's cool.
It's to build stuff.
Like a Nerf gun? Like how it shoots the bullets?
Kind of. Yeah. But for nailing stuff.
Okay, next.
How much
Wait.
do you think I paid for that?
$120.
$120.
Yes. Because this boy is big.
I think we paid $400 for that.
$400?
Yeah.
Okay, next one. This is giant. Can you take it? That's the last one.
Last one.
Last one.
I'll have to use this one right now.
It's the one that shoots out paint.
Yeah?
Yes.
You saw me using it, didn't you?
Yes.
So you know what it is? How much you think I paid for that? This is the ultimate quick shot from Graco. How much you think I paid for that?
It has a pay thing right here.
Yeah, how much?
I don't know what it means.
Okay, how much you think I paid?
$20.
How much?
$20.
$50, $20? You ready for the tell you how much?
Uh-huh.
Drum roll, please. This one was $1,300.
Ah!
It's a
No,
lot.
that's why you're poor.
That is why I'm poor. Buying all these tools, huh? Don't tell your mom.
Mommy, he spent $1,030
Say bye,
on his tools. Bye, Vloggy.